Congratulations on receiving your Dreamwear full face mask. We know you're excited to experience its new lightweight feel for more freedom while you sleep. So let's jump right into the mask assembly process. Remove each part of the packaging and inspect them for any damage. Pay special attention to the mask cushion. On the front, there are two large holes with clear guard flaps behind them. Make sure the holes aren't blocked by the flaps or anything else, such as mucus, before every use. Then take the cushion and connect it to the frame by inserting it on the side in the D-shaped insert. The arrows on the cushion and frame should align, and the frame will click into place. Connect the elbow on the top of the frame and then place the tubing quick release on the end of the elbow with a click. This piece will connect to the CPAP tubing. Next, loop the headgear strap into the slots on the mask frame and pull them back. Pull the headgear over your head and make sure the cushion is positioned comfortably over your mouth and under your nose. Then, pull the headgear straps back to tighten the mask and attach the magnetic clips. Now go ahead and enjoy your new mask. Check out your reflection, take a few selfies, or head to bed. To remove the mask, take off the magnetic clips and remove the headgear straps. And last but not least, pull the cushion away from the frame and your face.